Today's construction update from the South Goal area highlights several important developments across different sections of the stadium. Starting with the upper structure, a major milestone has been completed in the South Goal. The installation of slab panels and supporting structures is now fully finished in this area. The entire section is completely covered, with no visible gaps remaining. This brings the South Goal in line with other completed areas, such as the North Goal, lateral sections, and the main stand, where similar coverage has already been achieved. In the corner of the South Goal, progress had been limited for some time, particularly regarding the facade slat support system. However, a new development has now emerged. The first steel reinforcements for the slat support connections have been installed. Two metal bars are now visible on one of the beams, marking the beginning of connection work in this section. This is a key step forward, indicating that work on slat installation infrastructure is about to resume here after a long pause. Moving further into the same corner, previous work involving slats, sandwich panels, and the installation platform is now largely complete. The slats in this section have already been fully installed, while the platform flooring and safety railings are also finished. However, some parts still remain incomplete, particularly the anchors required for additional slats. No new anchors have been added recently in this area, suggesting that work has temporarily shifted elsewhere. Attention has now moved to the upper structural system, specifically the compression ring. Significant activity is ongoing here with multiple new components being installed. Workers are actively connecting radial beams and assembling structural elements on scaffolding. A newly lifted working platform has also been positioned, which will support further work around the radial beams. This indicates steady progress in one of the most critical structural zones of the stadium. At ground level, several radial beams and columns remain staged and ready for lifting. The presence of large amounts of material suggests that more installations are expected in the coming days, especially in the upper sections. Another major update is the rapid installation of black panels in areas designated for future VIP sections. This work has progressed quickly with more than half of the targeted section now covered. Compared to just a few days ago, this represents a significant advancement and highlights the current focus on interior and premium areas of the stadium. In the North Goal corner, activity levels are notably high, multiple lifting platforms are in operation, and workers are focused on preparing anchor points and structural supports for slat installation. While no new slats have been installed since last week, the preparation work is clearly underway. Workers are seen adjusting and preparing bolt areas, which is a necessary step before final installation. Another important area showing strong progress is the structure designated for elevators. This section had previously been delayed, but recent developments show a clear acceleration. Multiple new beams have been installed, and the structure is now rapidly taking shape, bringing it closer to completion. In the main stand terrace, installation of slat connection systems is ongoing. These connections are being placed with noticeably larger spacing compared to other sections of the stadium. Most of these connections are already installed, although some gaps still remain. A large quantity of materials is present in this area, indicating that additional installations will continue in the coming days. Several beams are already fully prepared, meaning they are ready for the next phase of slat installation. Inside the stadium, one of the most significant milestones is nearing completion. The installation of prefabricated seating in the South Goal is almost finished. Only a small number of seating units remain to be installed, marking the final stage of a process that has been ongoing for several months. Once completed, this will fully finalize the third-tier seating structure in that section. Finally, in the interior and corner areas, work continues on structural elements and internal corridors. Although activity is moderate, steady progress is still being made. The facade, particularly the diamond-shaped exterior with glass panels, is now clearly visible and adds to the overall visual completion of the stadium.